Okay, namaste and welcome to the class. I am Kiran Gautam. In this session, we study about the tense. In this session, we study about the tense. Tense is really important for every sector. Tense is a backbone of English grammar. In newspaper, in any of the book, everywhere, tense is there. It means tense structure, tense parts is there. That's why tense is really important for us. For the beginner level 2, for the advanced level, tense is important. Okay, what is the tense? Tense refers to the time. Tense refer to the time. Means tense is a time in which the action by the verb. There must be the verb. Without verb, no tense. For example, just simply example, I eat rice. In this sentence, which one is the verb here? It is a verb. It is a verb. So no verb, I rise. What do you mean? It is incomplete. That's why tense refers to the time which is action by the verb. Tense always show the time. We are not going to much more about the definition of the tense. Just only this much is enough for us to understand about the tense. Right? There are three type of tense. There are three type of tense. What are these? First one is a present tense. Present tense. Another is a past tense. And another is a future tense. Future tense. There are three type of tense: present tense, past tense, and future tense. What is the present tense? Present tense refers to something which is happening now, present time. That is called the present tense. Something which is happening, the action which is happening in the present time is called the present tense. Now, right? In this present tense. Past tense means the action which has already done. The action which has already done, that is called the past tense. The action which has already done in the previously, that is called the past tense. For example, birth, which is never come in the present time. Past tense which is never comes in the present time, that is called the past tense. Future tense, the future tense means come in the future time. That will come in later, that is called the future tense. Again, present tense means which is happening in this situation now. Past tense means which has already done in the previously. Future tense means which will be do in the coming days. That is called the future tense. The structure of there are in present tense there are four types. Past tense there are four types. Future tense there are four types. Let's see here. One is simple present tense. First one is simple present tense. Another is present continuous tense. Third one is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. And last one is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Present tense there are four types of present tense there are four types of present tense. For example, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. As the same here, past tense also there are four types of past tense. For example, one is simple past tense. Another is past continuous tense. Third one is past perfect tense. Fourth one is past perfect continuous tense. right? Now another is future tense. Future tense is the same. There are four types of future tense. One is simple future tense, another is future continuous tense, third one is future perfect tense, and last one is future perfect continuous tense. So there are in total overall there are 12 tense. There are 12 tense in total. Let's see the structure of it, then we discuss in deeply overall. Okay, now simple present tense. What is the structure of simple present tense? Subject plus verb 1, verb 5 plus object, right? Present continuous tense, subject plus is, am, are plus verb 4 plus object. This one is a simple present continuous tense structure. Subject plus is, am, are plus verb 4 plus object. Present perfect tense, subject plus has, have plus verb 3 plus object. This one is a present perfect tense. Last one is present perfect continuous tense, subject plus has, have plus been plus verb 4 plus object. Now simple past tense, subject plus be2 plus object. Past continuous tense, subject plus was, were plus verb 4 plus object. Present past perfect tense, subject plus had plus be3 plus object. Past perfect continuous tense, subject plus had been plus verb 4 plus object, right? Simple future tense, subject plus will, shall plus verb 1 plus object. Future continuous tense, subject plus will, shall plus be plus verb 4 plus object. Another future perfect tense, subject plus will, shall plus have plus be3 plus object, right? And future perfect continuous tense, subject plus will, shall plus have been plus verb 4 plus object. So these are the structures of all the tenses. And one thing you remember that in simple present tense, subject plus verb 1, verb 5 plus object. This one is an affirmative sentence. It's a negative, interrogative, yes no question, WH question is also subject plus is, am, are plus verb 4 plus object. This one is a say present continuous tense structure. This one is also negative, interrogative, yes no question. These all the structures, positive, negative, yes no question, WH question, interrogative, we have to study. These all falls into the tense. And one we need to understand is that present tense, there verb 1, verb 5, is, am, are, has, have. These are the present tense, right? Verb 1, verb 5, is, am, are, has, have are the present tense. Past tense, be2, here as the same, was, were, had are the past tense. If anywhere these auxiliary verb is given, it refers to the present tense. These were, be2, was, were, had is given, it is past tense. As the same here, will shall is given, then it refers to the future tense. So only this much for this session. In another session, I will tell you in detail about the tenses, more and more deeply about the negative, interrogative, no, yes no question, these all things. First you need to understand, and first you need to recognize it. You have to keep in your mind all the structures of the things. I said present perfect tense, that you have to say the structure of it. Now future continuous tense, you have to say the structure of future continuous tense. Those students who have memorized this structure very well feel easy in next step. That's why you memorize it and see the next part 2 video. You will feel very easy to understand it. Thank you very much for this session. Thank you a lot.